What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. This video I want to give you some other examples regarding higher roots calculation. First example I have here is cube root of negative 125. The answer is, we know negative 5 to the power of 3 will be negative 125. So the cube root of negative 125 is negative 5. Next example, the cube root of negative 216, that will be, negative 6 to the power of 3 will be negative 216. So the cube root of negative 216 will be negative 6. Next example, the fifth root of negative 1024. Answer is negative 4 to the power of 5 will be negative 1024. So the fifth root of negative 1024 will be negative 4. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.